All right, this is what we call pilchard pancakes.
It was tangled, I saw it. No, it was tangled.
How many did you get?
0. It was tangled, I think I saw.
I bet you got more than 0. See any?
No.
No?
It was back.
None?
There's a tangle.
You can try it again?
I need to take the tangle out.
There's none in there, huh?
There was a tangle.
You want me to put some more oats out? All right, good old Publix oats. Just a bunch of handfuls. In fact, you know what? We're going all in. All in, baby. Get it straight. You can do it. I see a bunch of pilchards back there, dude. You got it all straight?
Yeah, what side?
It looks to me like they're straight out there. You just got to do a pancake, bro.
I literally caught it with my hand.
That was not your best throw.
No, did you see?
Try it again, try it again, try it again.
I actually did.
That was not your best pilchard pancake. But I have a feeling that the third time is the charm, my dude.
Yeah. Did you see that I got?
Oh, I see pilchards jumping back there, bro. Come on, reel it in, reel it in. I'll tell you what, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shake the chum bag. You get set now. Get all the tangles out.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, did you really?
Bro,
You
are
sure
you
did.
kidding me?
That must be the slowest pilchard in the whole school. He needs to go back to 4th grade pilcharding. Oh, get him. Get him. You put him in there with the other ones? We just barely had, how many do we have? Maybe 2 or 3?
Yeah.
How many's in there?
We have about, I think we actually only have one.
I think that'll be the 4th one, isn't it?
4th one.
Oh, that's some pilchards. All right.
Shoot.
All right, now come on. I'm ready to see some heavy dude. Oh, dude. Oh my goodness.
What?
There's some pilchards out there, bro. I need a pancake. Hold on, let me shake it one more time.
It's better.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Now focus, grasshopper.
I'm done. I can't throw any good ones.
Try it one more time. Oh, look at that shark in there, dude. See that shark in there?
Oh yeah, it's in there.
Is it in the net?
Is it? No. Oh, I got a filter, dude. Yeah, that was fun.
Was it a nurse?
I think it was a nurse. Oh no, I got stung. It's a nurse shark.
Did you pull it up in the boat? John, you catch sharks every time on everything. Hey, listen, don't, there you go, pull it up. It's around the cleat, it's around the cleat, dude.
I can't get it.
That's all right, no, don't stop pulling. Okay, hold on, listen. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Now this just got exciting, dude. All right, don't pull it up on that cleat. You gotta lift it up so it's around the cleat. There you go. You pull him up in the boat?
Oh shoot.
There you go.
He just got me. He tail slapped me.
Did he? Nice job,
My
man.
pinky hurts.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm
Dude, how did you catch a nurse shark in a cast net?
You caught a keeper snapper.
All right, can you set them down here on the floor so we can deal with them?
I don't know how.
Here, just pick it up. Take it up like this. Set it right there.
They won't do it.
No, he can't hurt you. All right, will you grab that blue horn? Grab the blue thing and just let him out on the floor, and then I'll pick him up and put him back in the water.
I want to see him.
All right, you can pick him up if you want. I think you might have got a pilchard in there too.
Yeah, I did. Oh gosh.
All right. Just a little juvenile nurse shark. Is there a pilchard in there too?
Yeah, no.
There you go. Grab that.
Let me just.
All right, you want to grab him?
No.
Grab him by the tail and just pick him up. He won't hurt you.
He's gonna look at him.
Yeah, you gotta just grab him. He can do it. Can you grab him?
No, I'm too scared.
He won't hurt you.
He's gonna flop around.
He might, but you gotta grab hold of him with two hands. Come on, grab him, dude. You can do it.
I'm too scared.
He won't hurt you. He's got no teeth. Just grab
No,
him.
but still, he's gonna flap.
He might, but he's suffocating right now. So the sooner you get him in the water,
How about you?
just grab his tail. You can do it. Seriously, I know you can do it. You're tough. Come on, grab his tail. Grab him right there back by the back end and grab him and then lift him up. He won't mess with you. I promise, he won't.
I know, it's still embarrassed, but like, he's gonna do that.
Grab him. Grab him, dude.
Look at him.
Just grab him. Grab him. He can't breathe, dude. He's suffering. Grab a hold of him. Grab him. Grab him like you mean it. Just grab him like you mean it. Grab him. Grab him hard. Grab him hard. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Two hands. Grab him like you mean it. Grab him like you mean it.
I'm throwing him in.
Throw him in.
That thing's actually scary to hold.
Oh, you did good, dude. That was a terrible cast net.
Yeah, that was bad. That was a terrible throw. I didn't think he was in there, but he was.
Oh, man. Nice job, John. Cast net and sharks.
Yeah. That thing is hard to carry. It doesn't look like it, but it is.